In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a pop-up on Bubble.io. If you're interested in creating engaging and user-friendly applications on Bubble, this is a fundamental feature you'll want to master. Let's dive into the details so you can start incorporating pop-ups into your web applications. First things first, open up your web browser. In the search bar, type in Bubble.io and hit Enter. You'll want to click on the official Bubble.io link to get started. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. Bubble.io is a powerful platform where your creativity can really shine, so having your account ready and accessible is key. Upon logging in, you're directed to the Bubble editor, which is where the magic happens. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll notice a menu with various options. Here, click on the Visual Elements panel. This panel is where you'll find various elements that you can add to your page, including our target for today, the pop-up element. To begin, simply drag and drop the pop-up element onto your page. You now have a blank pop-up at your disposal. One of the great things about Bubble is its flexibility. You can resize this pop-up to suit your needs and style it to match the overall design of your application. Consider adjusting the width, height, background color, or even adding borders to make it look seamless with your app's theme. Next, it's a good practice to give your pop-up a descriptive name. This helps you identify it quickly, especially when your project grows larger. Whether it's Edit Post Pop-up or Application Pop-up, a clear and concise name saves time later on. Now, think about what will trigger this pop-up. Typically, a button serves this purpose well. So, choose an existing button on your page or create a new one if necessary. With your trigger selected, navigate to the top right of your editor and click Start Edit Workflow. This is where you define the interactions and actions your elements will perform. In the Workflow editor, you'll go to the Element Actions section and choose Show an Element. Here, you'll be given a selection of available elements. You'll want to pick the pop-up you just created from this drop-down menu. This action tells Bubble that whenever the trigger is activated, it should display your specified pop-up. Once you've done that, it's time to test and see everything in action. At the top right corner of the interface, look for the Preview button. Clicking this lets you experience how users will interact with your app. Check that your pop-up appears as expected when the designated button is clicked. And there you have it. A straightforward yet effective way to incorporate interactive elements into your Bubble.io projects. With these steps, you can create a dynamic user experience that enhances your app's functionality and appeal. Keep experimenting and enjoy building with Bubble.io.